This is well, this is how I had it mounted. You can see the scorch marks there in the exhaust. It's 44mm thick, this log cabin, and then I was going to put like do this output scaffolding pipe in there, and then on the forum and Facebook, loads of people said, why don't you just get the turret mounting and mount it on the outside, then you haven't got any worries of exhaust gases coming through the carbon monoxide, because then everything's outside. So that's where we are. That was a mistake, didn't go right through. Unfortunately, the 125mm turret doesn't quite cover the holes, but I'm going to cut this out now and remount it with fit the plate, take the old plate off and mount it on its side. I never thought of that. Only a couple of people mentioned it, why don't you put it on its side? It does just say it just has to be mounted horizontally, not vertically, so it doesn't say anything about you know, whether it's on its side or upside down. Only that I think you need to mount it so that you can get access to the glow plug if you need to. And I'll just have to remind myself where that is. I'm pretty sure that it's this way up. I'm going to have to look, aren't I? Get this right. I'm pretty sure that's how it's going to look as it is now. Just if I do need to get to the glow plug, yeah. Oh, that's a glow plug at the top. So that would be the way it's going to go. So let's drill that hole. Plate fitted. Right. I'm going to mount the turret, the new turret plate, onto the heater. You alright, mate? Let's get me ratchet. I need a second hole for the pump for the fuel line. God, there's another money somewhere. Right. Yeah. Oh, I made a bit of a mess of the hole. So it's gonna go. As you can see, that was part of the other hole. It's part of that one. That's where I really fucked up. So to make it neat, I'm going to. I'm going to get that around, which is not that way. I'm going to mount this on the outside, so the hole doesn't look as bad. Now I've got the exhaust this side, so I want the exhaust come over this way, so the fuel can go that way, they don't cross each other. Yeah, I'll do. I'll tell that in a minute. Oh, electrics. Right, Ted, where's that bally? Oh, got this one. Right. Heater's mounted, just put the exhaust, the outlet out the way. Pump, don't need to move. But now, I need to get the fuel back outside again. Right. Luckily, look at some of this lovely green pipe left. Right, I'm just gonna refit the new length of fuel line. Right, I think it's all set. Meet power supply on. I think I'll just prime it with me putting that new piece of pipe on. Remember how to do it. Don't have to get. Oh, it says H. No. Refer to the manual. What's going on now? Right, a few problems. Just primed it for that replacement of the short section of pipe work. I was getting a bit of smoke out the inlet outside, but it's gone now. I've cranked it up, cranked the heat up to 35. It's all running. Pretty warm now. And I'll just show you the setup outside. Wow, it's lashing again. Jesus. One of these days it's not going to rain. But, okay. Here we are. Yeah, I was getting a bit of smoke before, all that. Quite sure what was going on there. We tried to run it without priming it, replacing that pipe. I've moved the tank from there to there, away from the exhaust. And I'm gonna have a little, just like got some wood to do a little canopy here, just to keep the weather off everything, off the exhaust and the water inlet, fuel line and fuel pipe. Yeah, so the canopy just come in like that down there. And there we go. And I think that looks alright. That pipe, it's covered up most of the bit of a bodge you made of the hole after having 2 holes drilled already. There you go. Drain hole at the bottom. Good heat out right now. With the remote. They're great these, but they do take a bit to warm up. I think it takes about 4 or 5 minutes. It's all in now. That looks a lot neater that now. I haven't got the exhaust touching the wood. I've got the pieces of wood where it was made, the scorch marks on it, and I've altered the gap outside where it was a bit messy. Oh yeah, that was the wood, wasn't it? Yeah, it was scorching it. Bit of a fire hazard. Finished now. Just put a little strip of metal in there where I'd gone a bit too far. Ooh. Anyway, that's the setup. Just kicking in. Feel the heat now. No smoke now. The weather. Shite. shite weather. Pumps clicking. Look. Bars are just starting to get up now. Getting a bit of heat. That's got 3 minutes because I had the power off, so the clock had gone to 0. So it's 3 minutes it's been running. Just got the amber bar on there now. It's just getting a bit of heat coming through. Yeah, looks a lot neater that now anyway, I think. Job's a good one.